You've been watching a terrible movie for over an hour. You're bored. You're checking your phone. You're not enjoying a single minute of it. But you keep watching. Why? Because you already paid for the ticket. This is one of the most common decision mistakes humans make. We stick with bad choices simply because we've already invested time, money, or effort. Psychologists call it the sunk cost fallacy, and it controls more of your life than you realize. Imagine this. You buy a concert ticket for $120. The night of the concert arrives and you feel exhausted. It's pouring rain outside. You don't even like the opening band anymore. Every part of you wants to stay home. But you go anyway. You drag yourself out the door, sit in traffic, stand in a cold parking lot, and endure 3 hours of music you stopped caring about. Why? Because of the money. $120 you already spent. Here's the problem. That money is gone, whether you go or not. Going to the concert doesn't bring the money back. Staying home doesn't make it disappear any faster. The money was spent the moment you bought the ticket. But your brain doesn't see it that way. Your brain treats the money like it's still at stake, like showing up somehow recovers what you lost. Now zoom out. This same mistake happens everywhere. People stay in bad relationships because they've already been together for 5 years. They think those 5 years would be wasted if they left. Businesses keep funding failing projects because they've already spent millions. Pulling the plug would mean admitting the money was thrown away. Students finish degrees they hate because they're too far in to quit. They've already invested 3 years, so they push through 2 more years of misery. The pattern is always the same. Past investment controls future decisions. So why do we fall into this trap? 3 powerful psychological forces drive the sunk cost fallacy. The first is loss aversion. Humans feel losses roughly twice as intensely as equivalent gains. Abandoning something you've invested in feels like a loss, even when continuing actually costs you more. Your brain would rather lose slowly over time than face one sharp moment of accepting the loss. I've come this far, I should keep going. We confuse persistence with wisdom. We mistake stubbornness for strength. The third force is the completion instinct. Our brains crave closure. Leaving something unfinished creates genuine psychological discomfort. Psychologists call this the Zeigarnik effect. We'd rather endure a bad experience to the end than leave it incomplete. Our minds keep looping back to unfinished tasks until they're resolved, even when the resolution brings no benefit. Together, these 3 forces create a mental trap. The more you invest, the harder it becomes to walk away, even when walking away is clearly the smarter choice. When you find yourself in a hole, stop digging. So here is a practical strategy you can use starting today. Next time you feel trapped by a past investment, ask yourself one simple question. If I hadn't already invested anything, would I choose this option today? If the answer is no, walk away. The investment is already gone, but your future isn't. You still get to choose what happens next. The smartest decision makers aren't the ones who never make mistakes. They're the ones who recognize mistakes early and cut their losses before the damage grows. They understand that letting go isn't weakness. It's wisdom. Let go of what's behind you. Decide based on what's ahead